Hey everyone, Tommy Sanders, and I want to welcome you, the Veranda Luxury Pontoons family, to our online owner's manual. Congratulations and thank you on your wise decision to invest in a Veranda, as you're now part of this great fraternity of lake life enthusiasts who love being on and around the water with friends and family. The Veranda Luxury Pontoons Owner's Manual is a comprehensive video-based resource covering every aspect of your new veranda and boating. This fluid compilation of content will assist in defining each and every element that is germane to your new veranda to ensure a safe and pleasurable boating. Come join us as we begin our journey to a lifetime of enjoyment on the water on your new veranda.
Let's take a look at the stainless quick-release bumper hardware, made of marine-grade stainless steel that holds up to the harsh marine environment. Located along the top of the starboard and port rails, it eliminates the need for repetitive tying and untying and allows you to quickly and easily release and stow the bumpers when the boat is underway. Depending on your pontoon, you should have 2 to 4 white logoed rubber bumpers along with white braided rope included in with your boat, stored either inside the center tune in-floor storage or underneath one of the seats. The hinge snaps into the base and stays attached to the bumper line when separated. You will notice another set of stainless quick-release bumper hardware located in the aft of the boat as well for protecting the stern of your pontoon when moored.
For further information about this topic and other Veranda Luxury Pontoon related content, visit our website, verandamarine.com, or contact your local Veranda dealer. If you have a question that's not covered in any of these modules, send us an email at info@verandamarine.com.